remember our episode last time, it's quite obvious, it's quite easy to know that this is actually also 4,500 kilograms per meter cube. A cube of titanium of mass 48 grams. So you have a cube. And this whole cube is 48 grams. Okay. Contains 6.0 times 10 to the 23 atoms. So inside this 48 grams is 6 times 10 to the 23 atoms. A. Calculate the volume of the cube. What is this volume equal to? So quite obvious. Here you're going to use ratios. You got 4.5 grams. It gives you 1 centimeter cube. Therefore, 48 grams will give you, so this is cross multiply. Those of you who are not familiar with cross multiplication, you use 48 grams, the cross, times 1 centimeter cube, times 4.5 grams, in this case, times x. I prefer to write it as 48 grams over 4.5 grams times 1 centimeter cube. So you can actually see quite clearly, since 4.5 is 1 cm, therefore for the 8 divided by 4.5 will give you the ratio of how much bigger this will be. I will have calculated with me, so you can pause this video. Once you unpause this video, you should get a value of around 10.7 centimeter cube. Okay, straightforward, nothing special. B. Estimate the volume occupied by each atom in the cube. So you have to find the volume of each atom. So you already have the total volume to be equal to 10.7 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of each atom? For total volume of 10.7 centimeter cube of 48 grams, you have this much atoms. So 6.0 times 10 to the 23 atoms. Therefore, volume of one atom, quite easy, 10.7 centimeter cube divided by 6.0 times 10 to the 23 atoms, and you got a volume of around, in this case, 1.8 times 10 to the minus 23 centimeter cube. Okay, you can pause the video if you haven't done the calculations yet. And then we go to the next question 2. What is the separation of the atoms in the cube? So inside this cube, you have atoms lying one after each other because this is a metal. So they're asking you, what is the separation? If you actually think about it, if you move this separation to be over here, what you realize is you're actually dealing with the length of the volume of one atom. Okay, this is the length of the volume of one atom. So if you take it as a square cube, so it means it will be V atom is equal to L cube equal to 1.8 times 10 to the minus 23 centimeter cube. Therefore, L is equal to the cube root of this one. We have one version. If you remember, the volume of sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed. In this case, we do not want the radius. We want the diameter of the cube of the sphere. So it will be 4/3 pi d over 2 to get radius, diameter divided by 2 cube, which is equal to 4/3 pi d cube over 2 times 4 is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. equal to 1.8 times 10 to the minus 23 centimeter cube. So remember this, you can do this, if not you can do this. But if you check this, remember this one, and you can do the exact one. And in this case, if you do the separation with just the L cube, you have 2.6 times 10 to the minus 8 centimeters. Hopefully you can cube this one, and hopefully the value is smaller to indicate is the correct value. Again, this question shows us a very easy concept to understand gram per centimeter cube, but the most important thing is not only can you measure mass or volume with density equation, you can also measure the volume of one atom, and in this case, usually ask the separation between the two atoms. I hope you understand this video. If not, please replay this video.